Yo, what's up, guys? We're back with another video today. I just want to let you guys know that I did have some clip bots in this. Yes, I sure did. I know it's kind of sad, but a lot of YouTubers do it, so I apologize. I just want to let you guys know I love you and thank you for the support lately, and enjoy the video.
Hey yo, Defo, this a vibe.
One call for the night, and me fucked up. Two bad bitches. Yeah, one cup for the night, got me fucked up. Two bad bitches feeling right, I got dumb luck. Big racks, no fucks, get your money up, your baby want my baby, so I put it in her tummy, huh? One cup for the night, got me fucked up. Two bad bitches feeling right, I got dumb luck. Big racks, no fucks, get your money up, your baby want my baby, so I put it in her tummy, huh? Party got like 20 on my wristwatch. Shawty wanna fuck me cause she heard I got a big cock. I just got some booth and a coupe with a big drop. I know you see the look, and your girl got that head game. And we fuck, she ain't leaving till my bed made. I know that I'm an asshole. Bitches always lurking and they only want the cash flow. One call for the night, and me fucked up. Two bad bitches. Too bad. One call for the night, and me fucked up. Two bad bitches. One cup for the night, got me fucked up. Two bad bitches feeling right, I got dumb luck. Big racks, no fucks, get your money up, your baby want my baby, so I put it in her tummy, huh? One cup for the night, got me fucked up. Two bad bitches feeling right, I got dumb luck. Big racks, no fucks, get your money up, your baby want my baby, so I put it in her tummy, huh? One cup for the night, got me fucked up. Two bad bitches. Too bad. One cup for the night, got me fucked up. Two bad bitches. One cup for the night, got me fucked up. Two bad bitches feeling right, I got dumb luck. Big racks, no fucks, get your money up, your baby want my baby, so I put it in her tummy, huh? One cup for the night, got me fucked up. Two bad bitches feeling right, I got dumb luck. Big racks, no fucks, get your money up, your baby want my baby, so I put it in her tummy, huh?
Oh, get crapped on. Oh. Hey there, guys. Good to see you there. If you guys made it this far, I just want to let you guys know that it really means a lot to me. I put a lot of effort into these. I really love you guys all. I try my best in these videos, so if you guys don't like them, comment down below on what I can improve on. Share this with a few friends. It'd mean a lot to me. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Love you all. Yeah, I guess I'm just gonna vibe out here. Adios.